Everyone knows about embroidery, and you may already know that you can sell embroidered merch through print on demand, but I wanted to show you one of the simplest design styles that is just selling like crazy, and it takes less than a minute to create. The style is simply called minimal script. And you can see exactly what I'm talking about on these two products right here. I've got this nice corduroy hat with the gold embroidery. Very nice for the stay classy. I've also got this super nice sweatshirt that says Silly Goose. Of course, that was Drew's design because he is a silly goose. This is from a newer brand called Stanley Stella. Very high quality, and for you POD people out there, check it out. It's absolutely incredible. Literally one of the best, most high quality garments I've ever printed on. We actually printed these designs on these products when we went to the actual Printful warehouse, which we will show you in this video. Like I said, this style is perfect for embroidery. Drew and I have been seeing it all over the place, and in Kittl, we have a large variety of monoline script fonts that you can use, and I actually have a template of one of my favorites that you can use right now. The link is in the description. Now let's jump over to the Printful Factory to watch how the embroidery is done. All right. One important thing to know about this style is that it is never longer than about 3 words. Generally, 1 or 2 words is actually best, and it pairs extremely well with humor because the script is like, already elegant and classy, and then when you pair it with like a humorous phrase or word, like for instance, the silly goose, or there's a reference photo where I found a hat that says tacos on it, like literally just tacos. I mean, it looks amazing. Of course, you can go really literal with it, like we have the hat that said stay classy, so we're sort of leaning into the literal vibes there, but you have a lot of potential with this print on demand method because finding a good script font is just as easy as using Kittl. And Printful will take care of the embroidery, no problem. You just need to choose the product that you're gonna have this printed on and then have a list of phrases that are gonna work with your niche. On the product side of things, we did, like I said, this new brand, we got to experiment with it. It's called Stanley Stella, which is what the sweater is. And it is super high quality, a bit more expensive, but they are certainly trying to compete with the streetwear industry standards. So if you're interested, give that brand a look. Personally, as a streetwear person and a luxury clothing person, I love it. I mean, the shirt that I'm wearing right now underneath my hoodie is a Stanley Stella shirt that has Kittl merch printed on it. Hint, maybe, foreshadowing. And it's not super heavy weight, but the cotton fibers are very tightly woven. So it's got a nice soft hand feel that's very luxurious, not your average open cotton spin shirt. So yeah, go mess around with some script fonts in Kittl and start selling some awesome products with Printful. And of course, major shout out to Printful for getting these products embroidered right on site with us there. They turned out incredible. That is all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.